Alright, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean Utopia the Seas, Deck 7, room 7242. See right down there is the elevator, so not too far away from the elevator. But this is a Junior Suite Stateroom. Give you a quick tour of it. You enter the room, I'll show you here location on the map here. See where the red dot is here? That's where we are. Like I said, Deck 7. Elevator and staircase are right there. It's not too far away from the elevators. All right, as you walk in, on the right-hand side, you have your light switch here, and you have the card here. So you have to have the card in here for the lights and the air conditioning to work. Let's swing on around. On the left-hand side, you have your closet. You get your light switch here for your closet. And this, being a Junior Suite, does have the walk-in closet, so it makes it nice. Get some tin shelves over here. A couple more hanging areas right here. You can pull down and get some more hanging if you need it. Large area here for your clothes to hang, and then in place this location up here for I usually keep my shoes and things, items like that up there. So, like I said, the nice thing about one of the main features of the Junior Suite is this walk-in closet. Okay, across from the closet here on the right-hand side, you have your bathroom here. This one's also different from a balcony or ocean view room or anything like that. Get your light switch here. Next to the light switch, you have a full-size mirror here on the left-hand side. And then in the bathroom, you have a bathtub versus just a shower. So your shower there, you've got your soap, shampoo, conditioner right here. So you've got the separate amenities there versus just the combination body wash and shampoo. This door does open up a little bit here so you can get in and out of the bathtub easier. Have your towels here on the right hand side, and then you have your toilet. And then another nice feature here is you have a box here that has like makeup removers, file, Q-tips, stuff like that, shower cap. That's one of the features to a Junior Suite also. And then you have a Kleenex thing here. You've got your 3 shelves here and 3 on the other side, your mirror, and then your vanity here. Another nice feature on the newer ships is you have a digital thermostat here, so you can adjust your air up and down and also turn it off if you want to. But Quantum class and the Icon class have where you actually can adjust the temperature and also from your phone, but this Utopia just has the standard digital thermostat. So nice little feature there. All right, as we walk in further into the stateroom, next to the closet you have a additional closet here, a little bit of a hanging area right here for some additional clothing storage. You have your safe, and you've got 5 shelves here. Nice thing too about the newer ships, you have your Starlink Wi-Fi in the room versus in the hallway, so you get a good Wi-Fi signal in the stateroom. Then down below you have a couple drawers here, large size drawers for additional storage. Next to that you have a lamp here that you can turn on right here. Another amenity that the Junior Suites and above have is the coffee maker, Lavazza coffee maker. So you have that in the room here with your you got some teas and your coffees right there, coffee pods. Then also, this is the standard setup as far as a ocean view room or anything like that. You see some of my previous videos or tours of the onboard Utopia, you'll see this is very standard balcony rooms. So you got your 5 drawers here, and you do have your refrigerator right here down below that you can store stuff in. So, all right, next to that you have the desk. Again, like the previous staterooms, this desk is movable. You can move it around, move it wherever you need to as far as around the room. Then right above it, you have 3 American plug-ins, 2 Europeans, and then you have your USB and your C USB for charging there. So that's a nice feature for the newer ships. They have the actual USBs for your phones and stuff. This is your light switch here. Push that, you can get your backlit mirror lit up here. Swinging on around here, you've got the bed here. Then on the right hand side you have a nightstand, and again you're going to have a USB charger and an American plug-in here. And the same thing over here, same table, same lamp setup, but you do have your telephone over here on the left-hand side. Just like all the other staterooms, you can, if you want the beds separated, they can separate the beds, or you can have it together in this format here. Another nice feature here is the switch right here. It'll allow you to turn the lights off in the stateroom and turn them on. So if you're in bed and you forget to turn the lights off, you can turn them off right there. Another item for the Junior Suites is you have this chair and footstool here. That's something that's not in the Junior Suites staterooms below the Junior Suite class. A nice little table here, and you do have a couch here. This does pull out to a bed if you need a third or fourth person in the room. Swinging on around here, the last thing over here is this. You get the TV here. It does swing out. That way you can, if you're in bed or sitting at the desk, you can get the TV to swing out and from the wall and be able to see it over there. All right, final feature for the Junior Suite that's nice is the balconies are a lot bigger than the standard Ocean View balcony. You've got this, instead of just being the doors here, you've got this additional window right here. And you do have a switch right here that will light up this light back here. So you can have some lighting out there at night if you're outside on the balcony. It's right here, the switch next to the door. So you push that, and that gives you a little bit of light out on the balcony. Okay, like I said, the balconies are a lot bigger than the others. A lot of room out here. You got 2 chairs with footstools, 1 small table here, but these also will open up. So if you had people cruising with you, have adjoining rooms, you can open this balcony and make these all one big balcony. We're in Port Canaveral, Florida today. Getting ready to set sail. Utopia is currently doing 3 and 4 night cruises, and going to Coco Cay and Nassau, Bahamas. One last view of the balcony. Like I said, the large balcony area here. All right, give you one last shot of the stateroom here. It's a lot bigger than a standard stateroom. All right, if you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I invite you to subscribe, comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.